Hello there, I'm Trisha Anastasio and I'm a pharmacist from Trifecta Pharmaceuticals. Trifecta Pharmaceuticals is a leading manufacturer of Globe brand over-the-counter ointments, creams, and gels. Eczema, psoriasis, and other forms of dermatitis can be highly irritating and distressing to sufferers, and most people welcome a remedy that will effectively reduce their discomfort. In milder forms of dermatitis, over-the-counter treatments can be an important and helpful part of an overall treatment regimen. Globe brand Hydrocortisone 1% Cream is an established remedy for easing the itching, redness, and discomfort associated with dermatitis, as well as insect bites and rashes caused by poison oak and poison ivy. Globe brand Hydrocortisone 1% Cream combines the effectiveness of hydrocortisone with the soothing, moisturizing, and healing properties of aloe vera. Aloe vera is believed to help spread wound healing by improving blood circulation to the area, as well as having properties that are harmful to certain types of bacteria and fungi. Hydrocortisone 1% Cream also contains a petroleum base that keeps the area clean and holds moisture in, while the active ingredient, hydrocortisone, works to relieve itching. Globe Hydrocortisone 1% Cream is available without a prescription online and in pharmacies nationwide, and is a useful addition to any home, car, or camping first aid kit. Wash and dry your hands prior to use, cleanse the affected area with mild soap and warm water, pat dry, and apply Hydrocortisone 1% Cream not more than 3 to 4 times daily. For use in adults and children 12 years and older. Consult your doctor before using on children younger than 12 years. For more information, please visit www.trifecta-pharma.com.